Okay, today I thought we'd take a look at the action robot Invader. It's right in the same area as all of these TV robot variations that I just did the other day. And the little piston guy that I threw in the end of that one. This has got similar legs, sort of. It's a roto-matic and arms, but a different head. So let's set this up where I can get in there and hopefully see what I'm showing you. Okay. So you can see on this guy, he's got a very different head. Actually very nicely detailed. What's it say on the back here? It says made in Hong Kong. It's 2D cells. And being a roto-matic means it's going to have the guns in the chest. So I'm holding it now so the feet can move. Then you're back in walk mode. Of course, you won't have the swinging arms with the roto-matic. You do have the nice light up face and the light up guns when they are going off. Let's take a look at the box, see if there's anything interesting there. Stay. Blinking and shooting guns. Battery operated stop and go swing up and down, rotating about 4 shootable missiles. That's true, you've got the missiles in the ears that you can shoot. Again, no cool artwork, it's just based on pictures. Okay, Hong Kong. Yep, nothing more on the box. But I thought you might want to see that variation. As long as we're in that area, we may have to do some more videos and move on down to some of these other variations of TV robots. Here's a musical robot. But I think for today, that's it.